Mayora Mabuhay! Hello world, I'm Franz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. I love Reese's peanut butter cups. I thought, why not recreate it, but with a twist. Since I love peanut butter and I love chocolate, I'm going to combine those two and just turn it into a giant Reese's peanut butter cup. And because giant food is getting popular nowadays, why not just follow the trend? Are you ready, tasters? I'm ready.
The ingredients that we need are peanut butter, powdered sugar, chocolate, butter. The first step is to combine the powdered sugar and peanut butter in a clean, dry bowl. Combine 600 grams of powdered sugar, and there we are. It's a little bit over, but it's okay. Now we will be pouring in 600 grams of peanut butter. Now fold the two ingredients together until it is fully combined. If it turns out like this and you can't mix it no more, then you can just use a hand mixer to continue the job for you. If your mixture is too dry, you can add in more peanut butter, or if it's too wet, then you can add in more powdered sugar. In my case, it's a little bit too dry, so you can add in more peanut butter. Okay, I think that might be enough, or a bit more. There, that should be enough. And now, mix it up. Now I am mixing the two ingredients together so that the consistency will become perfect over time. Set aside the chocolate and the peanut butter filling. I am currently chopping up the chocolate so that when we melt it, it will take less time. And if you're going to melt this, I'm using a double broiler. You can use a microwave, but I'm just double boiling it. Place the chocolate in your pot, and all this chocolate is going to melt in here in just a couple of minutes. Put in a tablespoon of butter to the chocolate so that there is a bit of saltiness, so that it's not just a punch of sweetness, and so that it melts easier and it's more smooth when it melts. Needs more butter! You want the chocolate to be in a nice and silky texture. Make sure it doesn't burn, which chocolate can do that. Now that the chocolate is fully melted, we can set it aside. Set aside the chocolate and the peanut butter filling. I line the bottom of these pans with parchment paper so that it will be easier to remove later on. Put some butter on the sides to avoid it from sticking, so that you can easily yank the chocolate out later. Spread the chocolate out into these 3 pans, or just 1 pan if you're only using one, evenly. You can use a spoon to spread it out, or in my case, I am using a pastry brush. I'm just going to finish spreading this out, and I'm going to get back to you guys. So that's it for today, tasters. We're going to come back to you tomorrow because the chocolate still needs to set and freeze overnight.
Good morning, tasters. It is a brand new and wonderful day. I am excited to pick up where we left off in making the giant Reese's peanut butter cups. So these are our finished crust. They have froze overnight, but we had a dilemma with them. They were in a really cold temperature in the freezer, so I would recommend you guys to just keep it in the fridge in a regular temperature. The next step is to fill your chocolate crust with your peanut butter filling and just scoop spoonfuls of it until you feel like you have enough. Like, the more the merrier. I'm also using my hands to scoop it in, but you can use whatever. Be generous with your filling and put as much as you want. This is a pretty messy job, but it's okay. Just have fun and clean up later. Well, enjoy! Okay, tasters, we are near to the end of making our Reese's peanut butter cups. And last but not the least, let's just put the chocolate on top of these. Make sure you cover the tops well. I am just putting a thin layer, but you can put a thick layer if you want. I'm just doing some finishing touches and then I'll put it in the fridge to let it set for a couple of minutes. Our peanut butter cups are resting in the fridge and now I'm just going to clean up and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, tasters, we're back and we're done with the recipe. Look at this, guys. It looks so good and I'm so excited to cut into it. I'm going to take this out of the pan and put it onto our prepared plate. Take off the bottom of your pan to put it on your plate. Look at that. And now I am doing the next. There. That's why we put the butter so that it doesn't stick too much. Isn't this beautiful, guys? It looks amazing. Are you ready, tasters? This is the moment I've been waiting for. I'm so excited to cut into this and taste it. Doesn't show any resistance. This is a cute tiny piece. This is so cute. It tastes exactly like the original peanut butter cup. It's delicious. Okay, tasters, that's it for this video. I'd love to see your recreations and comment down below for any suggestions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the tiny bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. I am posting my videos every week. You can follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at Homemade by Franz. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste Homemade by Franz.